channel kidscloud.
Please subscribe to this channel kidscloud. What is an atom?
We are all surrounded by plenty of things. Some of these are living, some non-living. But do you know, fundamentally one thing is common in all this. Everything in the universe is composed of atoms. It doesn't matter whether it is small or big, living or non-living, natural or synthetic. So the question arises, what is an atom? Would you like to know more about it? Okay, let's try to understand the atom more deeply. As you all aware, matter can exist in three states: solid, liquid or gas. All matter, irrespective of its state, is made up of atoms. Here are some examples of different states. A very simple example of a liquid state is water. What do you think about it? Which are the finest particles in water? Water consists of H2O molecules. A molecule of water is composed of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Hence, we can say that the tiniest particles in water are atoms of hydrogen and oxygen. Next, we will take the example of a gaseous state, say ammonia. Ammonia contains molecules of NH3. Each molecule is formed with 3 hydrogen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. It implies the smallest particles in NH3 are atoms of hydrogen and nitrogen. The third state is solid. Here is one example of a solid state. We need salt for our everyday life. Do you know what it is made of? It is made up of sodium chloride. There is an ionic bonding between atoms of sodium and chlorine. Again, the finest particles here are atoms. Thus, irrespective of their states, all three, salt, water and ammonia, are made up of different atoms only. We are using the word smallest or finest for atoms. What does it suggest? Are they easily visible? Can you see atoms with the naked eye? The answer to these questions are no. Atoms are extremely small and we can't see them with naked eyes. As we have seen, these are the smallest units of matter. If these are smallest, then why can't we see atoms under light microscope? As atoms are extremely small, we expect them to be visible under the light microscope. But do you know, we can't see them even under a light microscope. Here is the reason for that. We can see the object properly under a light microscope if their sizes are more than 300 nanometer. But sizes of atoms are around 0.1 to 0.5 nanometers. Hence, even with the most powerful light focusing microscope, we can't visualize single atom. Then how can we see the atom? We can see atoms using an electron microscope and scanning probe microscope. We can also use atomic force microscope and scanning tunneling microscope. These are kinds of scanning probe microscope that work in different ways. This is an additional information regarding atoms. To date, scientists have discovered 118 atoms of following elements. They have arranged them in a specific format called as the periodic table. So kids, here is a task for you. You can select any 5 objects around you. Find out from which atoms they are made of. You can check the atoms and their position in this periodic table.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.